Let's turn to the story that's breaking at the moment. India staring at a big energy crisis. Only 4 days of coal reserve supply left. The crunch could drag on for as long as 6 months. 72 out of 135 power stations have coal stocks left only for 3 days. 50 plants have coal stocks ranging from 4 to 10 days. India uses coal to produce 70% of its electricity.
जितना भी डिमांड बढ़ा हुआ है उसको हम मीट कर रहे हैं। अभी और भी डिमांड बढ़ेगा उसको भी हम मीट करेंगे। ये इसके लिए हमारे पास पर्याप्त व्यवस्था है। आज के दिन में हमारे पास करीब 4 दिन का कोल स्टॉक्स और प्रतिदिन हमारे कोल के रेक्स आते रहते हैं।
Let's go straight across to Abha Bakaya, who joins me at the moment. Abha, your sense of what? Give us what exactly, how serious this crisis is. Is it unusual? Or is this something that was being anticipated?
Oh, it's highly unusual, Rajdeep, but there's a good side to this as well. I mean, on the plus side, we are seeing heightened demand, particularly in the post-pandemic, period when people are getting back to work. We're seeing higher economic recovery being indicated. Also, a large part of the economic strata going out and buying digital appliances during the pandemic has led to a lot of heightened demand. So that's the good news in the good context. However, the fact that we've had the Union Minister actually talk about how this situation may actually take a few months to completely ease off. Remember, we're heading into winter months. That'll be some relief. But in the immediate next few days, he has mentioned that, yes, those 3-4 days is going to be touch and go in terms of meeting demand. He's also talked about how there have been lower dispatches from mines during this time. Now, he's attributed this to other reasons, continuous rain and so forth. But I also want to put into context what's happening in the larger business environment. Prices, international prices currently are spiking. They're at record high levels. And coal producers in our country are not able to pass on heightened prices due to those long-term distribution agreements that they have. So there have been lower imports, lower production, and this is also leading to a squeeze on supply.
Right.
So in this context, there is really no other option. Importing is not a viable option with costs right now at record highs, and local demand at the moment or pumping up that supply chain is also going to take a little while. Average stock of coal in power plants was just left for about 4 odd days, but they're saying that this is now rolling stock. They are trying to reassure the markets that saying that coal is being dispatched through rakes every day from the mines to thermal plants, and things will start to get back on track soon. So slightly more reassuring comments coming in just in the last day, but otherwise the situation was looking quite bleak. And in terms of the longer term trajectory, it remains to be seen how they're going to take this forward. Remember,
right.
India competes with China in terms of its power demands, and
so the good,
given the kind of squeeze that we've had of late in terms of things coming back on track around the world, prices have been shooting up. Inflation has sort of become under intense focus because of this and because of the demand that we're seeing all across right now.
Abha Bakaya, for giving us a detailed look at what the Power Minister's statement really means, good and some bad news out there. Thanks very much for joining us.